Bonnie Wee Thing by Robert Burns. He wrote it to a melody that was from James Oswald's Caledonian Pocket Companion. It was also in Robert Bremner's tune books. These were before Burns was born. Called The Bonnie Wee Thing is the name of the tune, and he wrote these words to it. Bonnie wee thing, canie wee thing, lovely wee thing, was thou mine. I would wear thee in my bosom, least my jewel it should tine. Wishfully I look and languish in that bonny face o' thine, and my heart it stounds wi' anguish, least my wee thing be na mine. Bonnie wee thing, canie wee thing, lovely wee thing, was thou mine. I would wear thee in my bosom, least my jewel it should tine. Wit and grace and love and beauty, any constellation shine. To adore thee is my